Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to Buenavidaroute.
Okay, so today we're going to be talking about this little tent that we're sitting in. It is from a brand called Wolfwise, and we were very blessed to have them reach out to us and ask us if we wanted to review this product. In fact, they asked us if we wanted to have either a pop-up shower tent or this, which is a little UV sun protection tent, which you mostly use at the beach. And you will see in our video that we have used it at the beach. And this is our second time using it. We are camping out in San Diego County in the middle of the forested area, but it's actually very sunny and very hot. So it's come in handy, I would say.
And the dogs love it.
And the dogs have really digged it. I will say that one of the things that I really like about it is that it's really easy to take it out of the packaging and then just sort of let it pop itself out into its shape. It also comes with 4 bags attached to it that you can fill up with sand or dirt to weigh it down, plus 6 stakes to actually stick it into the ground as well. The other thing I like about it is that it has shades here that you can either take down or up. It has a zipper on the back that you can enclose, and this little arch opening can also be enclosed.
And you can use it on the beach and also in the mountain.
So the other thing that I think that it's more practical for would be that if you're a single person, you could probably put a beach towel in here and just have a bit of a nap. It's not long enough for a body, like a human body, even myself that I'm only 5'2", it's not long enough to lay in it without actually getting some sun. Like if I were to lay from front to back, probably my legs would still be in the sun. And as you can see, us sitting in here, even though I'm only 5'2", and Andres is 5'11", we do hit the sides of it, so it's a little bit smaller. We do have 2 larger versions of this, so take that into consideration. If you are more than 1 person, I would definitely say go for the medium. And if you are more than 2 people, I would definitely say go for the large. I don't know how big the packaging would be between the small, the medium, and the large. And that, of course, made a difference for us since we live in La Chata, which is only a 20-foot rig, and our storage space is very limited. So we decided to go for the small. So I think that it's kind of perfect if you're just, want to get away from the sun and you want to put in a beach towel in here. Or obviously, if you're somewhere more mountainous like this, you can put in a sleeping bag and then just take a chill.